What's up, everybody? Going to open up this Silver Series 6-car set from last year, the JDM one. Open this bad boy up. But first, I did pick a few things up today. Nice little small hunt. It's got 4 things. Could have been more, but I had to show myself some restraint. But what I did pick up was pretty cool. Some of the harder to find things. Well, one ended up being kind of easy, but it is a store exclusive. So, anyways, at my local Walmart, I got it in a B case. So one a little backwards, but is the one with Zamex in it. And all the custom Chevys were already gone, but a lot of these were left behind. The Mazda AutoZone, Hot Wheels Dream Garage, Zamex for 2025, and it's the first one of the year. I mean, number-wise, it's the first one. So, I mean, it's still a Zamex, so it's still a more limited quantity. So, yeah, all the custom Chevys were gone, but pretty much all of these were left behind. But I definitely went ahead and took one. Still a Zamex, still a store exclusive, still, less of these made than like the regular version. So that's cool. Nice little Zamex. And then my Walmart finally got in some more moving parts. Finally. Now if they just get some newer Matchbox or main lines, but got the 95 Chevy C1500. Sorry, I'm getting a hair stuck in there. Oh well. Oh, there it goes. Yep. Found that today. Some nice little pickup truck. Moving parts. And I also hit a couple of grocery stores today. That's where I showed my restraint at, because the G case has been hitting the grocery stores. But, yep, there you see it right here. Did pick one thing up because I know this is going to be a little harder to find. I did something I wanted, so I did have to pick this one up at least. It's the R33 Skyline, the HKS. Oh yeah, definitely had to get that one. Definitely had to pick this one up. There are a few others that I could have picked up, but they're ones I know I'll be able to find again, so... Yep, for right now, I just had to pick up the one that would be the hardest to find, which of course, Skylines. Because I had to get some food in the house and I had to get myself a haircut, so... And then at another Walmart, they got in an 8-case on the pegs, and I found the 8-case treasure hunt. Ford Performance Supervan 4. Treasure hunt for the 8-case. Look on the back. Of course, you got the verbiage on the card there. Yeah. So now I've got the treasure hunt for A, B, D, and E. And the one for E, I have 3 of those. And one of which I opened up on the previous video. But now let's get into the main event of this video. I'm going to open up this 6-pack here. Get this all opened up nice and neat so I can still pop it back into the package afterwards. Nice. Put that right here for a nice little backdrop. Alrighty, let's start off. Start from the bottom. Start with this guy here. Just got a little extra piece in there. Have to hold on to that, so I'll put it back on there. This is the Mazda RX-7 FC Pandem, which, if you watched my recent Whatnot unboxing, I got the new Silhouettes version of this. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, there's actually left-hand drive on this. So this one would be more of an import than a JDM. Yeah, there's Silver Series got the different wheels and the full details. And this one's got a metal base on it. Yeah, nice. You got a roll cage in there. Yeah, a wiper on the back. Very nice. Nice indeed. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Alright, put that back in its little spot. Put a little extra little piece back in there. Why that's on that, I'm not sure, but maybe that one doesn't fit in there as snugly or something. Who knows? Alright, well, we'll wait and do the Supra here next. This is 2021 Toyota GR Supra in yellow. Yeah, just kind of looking at these wheels, look kind of, I don't know. Alright, I guess they're okay. Yeah, because the two different sides look like, I don't see the difference there. This cross from each other, and then that part across from each other looks a little different. That's that way on all the wheels, so I guess it's supposed to be like that. Got this little just stripe down the side there. Got Gretty. Of course, we got the back details. This is also a metal base. Yeah. I do believe this particular one, it's all metal based on these. And then I've read reviews on the newer one for this year. I guess only maybe 2 or 3 of them might have a metal base, something like that. And this here we have, this one is the Custom Acura Integra Sedan GSR in black. This one also has kind of tiny tires on it. This is definitely a metal base on this. A little more easier to tell on this one. It's also left-hand drive. Let's take a look at that Supra again real quick. See if I can see. Yeah, left-hand drive. So more like imports. The left-hand drive on it. Doesn't get the Hot Lows logo on the back there. Got the full detail. Nice. The nice clear windows. See the inside. Nice. Very nice. Now we'll go to Nissan Z next. Yeah, you can definitely tell on that one that it's metal. Left-hand drive as well. And we got the rear and back. Nissan Z right there. It's metallic-y blue. The black tires. Oh. I think I might have a slight bit of an error on this. Look at that. This is like almost nicely aligned with the top on the left-hand side here, but on the right-hand side, That is a little farther down than it should be. Look at that. It's definitely not supposed to be going like right down the window like that. Yeah, this should be up here. Oh, got a little bit of error in this package. Look at that. That was definitely not in the right spot. Well. See? Oh, and actually, I was surprised. That's actually in the front too. Look at that. It's the way it's in the package too. I'm surprised I didn't notice that. Alright, well, let's get into the other two cars left. Alright. There we go. This one is the Mitsubishi 3000. I'll go up front. Left-hand drive as well. So this is more of a J import set than a JDM set. So as a JDM set, this would all be right-hand drive. Oh yeah, and look at that. It's got like a California license plate on there. This one does look pretty nice though. Cool. Here we go. Nice. Oh, that's nice and snug in there. Guess I can get that guy back in. It's very snug in the package. And lastly, we have, oh well, this one is a little different than the rest. The Pandem Subaru BRZ, and this bright pink. This one we actually could call JDM. This one is right-hand drive on this guy. Interesting. That all but one of these are left-hand drive, and then this one is actually right-hand drive. Rocket Bunny Racing. And what's this? TRAKyoto.com. Okay. TRA Racing Tradition. Okay, it's part of some racing thing. Very nice. Cool. It's got the little wing top here. Nice. And yep, this whole set is metal based. And yeah, you can see the price on there. I did pick this up at Barnes & Noble last year. But since they're Silver Series, I mean, this was all released individually on single cards for this, like a set of 6. It's going to be like around 18, so not too far off from what you pay individually for each of these. And you get them all in one shot in this 6-pack. Yeah, there you have that. Last year's JDM/import 6-pack. That's nice packaging. Very cool. Oh, yeah, there you have it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.